Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Hardeep Singh. Today I will discuss with you 5 quick and safe steps for stress management in this COVID-19 pandemic period. As we are all aware that this COVID-19 pandemic has caused a great panic across the globe. To curb it, the government of India had announced a nationwide lockdown all over the country on 24th March 2020 for 21 days initially, but it was extended for a longer time later on. But still, we are living with this critical COVID-19 pandemic. We have entered into the phase 2 of this corona. The main sufferings of this COVID-19 pandemic include the studies of the students. Main thing that has been suffered from this COVID-19 pandemic is the studies of the students. It has resulted into the closure of schools, colleges and universities. And second thing that has most suffered from this is that the academicians, teachers and the employees of the private organizations that are suffering from unemployment, and the people of the private organizations that are working with their organizations are getting 50% less salaries than the normal periods.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो
Now the main need of the hour is how to manage this stress in this stressful period. Today in this video I will share with you 5 quick and safe steps. First step is enjoy dance and enjoy music. Music plays an important role in stress management. As we all enjoy songs and music, we go into the new world as per the wordings of the song. So we all should practice dance, music and song to manage stress in this COVID-19 pandemic period. Second tip for stress management is exercise daily. We should do exercise daily. We should practice yoga daily. Daily do exercise for 20 to 30 minutes. That will help us to make us physically as well as mentally healthy. So daily exercise and yoga will help us to manage our stress in this COVID-19 period. Third tip for stress management is spend time with nature. Nature is a very wonderful thing in which we can relieve our stress. We should go for walk daily, morning walk, evening walk. Rather there is corona, we should maintain social distances. We should follow all the conditions given by the precautions given by the World Health Organization. We should wear mask. We should maintain social distancing. We should avoid that handshake and use the sanitizer. But we should spend time with the nature. We should enjoy the greenery of the grass. We should enjoy the cool breeze, chirping of the birds and everything. So we should spend time in the nature. This nature will also help us to manage stress in this COVID-19 pandemic period. Third tip for stress management in this critical COVID-19 period is that spare time or spend time with your family members, with your friends, especially with your children and your life partner. We have very less time in our busy times. When it was the normal time, we were busy with our jobs, we were busy with our work, and we had very less time to spend time with our children. Especially we should play games, we should view movies and all the things that children love to do with you. So by spending time with family members, friends, our elders and our parents in the family, we can manage stress in this COVID-19 period. And the last and the most important tip that I will give you for stress management will be very beneficial for you. Being an academician, I would let you know to manage stress. The main thing is learn new things, refresh old ones, update your skills, attend some conferences, attend some seminars, or do something beneficial for your career. This is free time. You can invest as many time as you can for the betterment of your future career. I have, as per my experience or as per the screening of my professional experience and my daily professional experience with my students, professionals, my fellow academicians, teachers and lecturers, I have seen that there are many areas on which we can work out to improve ourselves in daily life, in the busy life, in the normal time. We hesitate to discuss our lacking areas with our fellows, with ourselves, in which we can improve. The most important area that I have seen, that our dream area, is that the English language. Mostly the people, they have turned into academicians, research scholars, they are doing MTech, they have done their BTech, they are ready for job, but they are lacking in English language. Some people, they hesitate in speaking English, and other, they also don't know how to write English in a good manner. So I will let you know the tips how to speak English frequently, how to speak English in a good manner, and how to write English. Only thing that is needed to be perfect in English is basic grammatical rules. You should know the basic grammatical rules. I will discuss with you grammatical rules in my next video. So be with me, subscribe my YouTube channel, like my videos, and share my videos and share my YouTube channel with your fellow friends, students and academicians. Thanks. Good luck.